Good evening, Raider families, and welcome to Curriculum Night 2020. My name is Andrew Bolin, and I have the pleasure of serving as Alpharetta High School's Virtual Lab Coordinator. Alongside of me is Denise Baugh, our Study Skills Instructor. She is the one actively engaged in everyday classes with your students. Our contact information is there. If you ever have any questions, please feel free to send us an email. So a little bit about study skills. We'll talk a little bit about study skills. We'll talk a little bit about Fulton Virtual Credit Recovery. What does a typical day look like in the study skills classroom? And then grading. In study skills, our two primary goals, our focus in this class is to strengthen academic skills. We believe once we strengthen those skills, this will help alleviate some of the having to take credit recovery courses, right? And then that leads into the second point. Our study skills class provides an opportunity to complete credit recovery courses and get your student back on track. So credit recovery, Fulton Virtual Credit Recovery, we'll also call it FVCR. The login for this platform is pictured in this screen. The course design essentially is students will take the courses, it's self-paced. And then for registration, you just need a contract. Pacing, like I said, is self-paced. And then for assessments, all unit tests and final exams must be proctored. So they can be proctored and unlocked during the study skills class, or students can attend on Tuesdays and Thursdays from 3:30 to 5:30, and Ms. Ball will be there ready to unlock an assessment. Keep in mind that no assessments will be unlocked with 30 minutes or less remaining in the class period. And if the course you're taking is an EOC course, once you complete the course, I will be notified and I will get you registered for that EOC. And our school testing coordinator will reach out to you with instructions on when your test is, what day, what time, and then how to take your test. Okay? A typical day in the virtual lab is never the same because your work changes every day. It is set up like a classroom. A contract, like I said, is required before being permitted to begin any credit recovery course. And that contract can be found on our school website when you click on the virtual learning lab portion. And as I mentioned, students must take assessments in the labs. We cannot, it is not permitted, it is a county rule that exams or assessments be unlocked outside of the virtual lab. Okay? For progress reporting, from the AHS perspective, we send weekly communications via email. We also run frequent progress monitoring reports, and we will communicate with those who have not started, are behind pace, etc. Parents are welcome to contact Ms. Baugh and I to discuss getting access to the Family Guardian portal. And that's where you'll be able to manage, you'll be able to log in and you can see when your student logs in and you can see what their progress is on their course. And then just a quick reminder that a failure to maintain pacing or keep a grade above passing will result in a counselor and administrative referral. If you have any questions, our contact information is here. As I mentioned at the beginning, please, 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 please do not hesitate to reach out to us. Ms. Ball and I are here to support you and help your students get back on track. We are so looking forward to this school year. Regardless of how it started and the circumstances, we are ready to support your students to get back on track. Enjoy the rest of curriculum night.